So with all the Yeezy restock madness going on, we've got the 350 V1, technically, Pirate Blacks. I've been wanting these for a long time. Let's kick it. So here we have them. We will have had a little on-foot glimpse already at this point, but these were a moment in time. I do have the Turtle Doves coming, which I did take an L on that restock. I ended up buying them for resale from GOATED, but the original Yeezy 350, boy, these started some serious hype. The Pirate Blacks and the Turtle Doves. Just crazy, crazy hype, man. These, wild. The way the prime knit upper is on these actually fit more true to size than the V2s. V2s is best to go up half a size, which fit true to size when you go up half a size. Admittedly, these aren't quite as comfortable, because I did try one on already. They aren't quite as comfortable as the V2, but they're still super comfortable. You have plenty of boost in the midsole. Here we have the Yeezy insole, and you can see it here. Different textured foam cuts, and then you're literally right on top of the boost here. I don't know how well the lighting is going to pick that up. Maybe not too well, but because it's nice and dark, but the boost is right there. You're pushing right on the boost, which is also right here in the bottom. Man, I've been wanting these for a long time. Now, some would say they're kind of a dated sneaker at this point. I have seen talks of these things, but that's like saying retro Jordan. Like, do you wear retro Jordans? Do you wear Jordan 5s? Do you wear Jordan 3s? You know, when those came out? So, to anybody that says these are dated, I disagree. And I'm super happy to have them. And then we have the Yeezy color scheme, because we have the green on the suede panel with the YZY here and the red dotted line on the back, because the whole Yeezy colorway is the red and green from the Nike days, which I never owned any of the Nike Yeezys. Those crazy overpriced shoes. But yeah, nothing super exciting to say that hasn't been said to death before about these, other than I am just thrilled to have added these to my sneaker collection. They are going to get plenty of wear in the years to come out of me, because I am just so glad to have these. You guys have no idea. Adjusting these laces real quick, because I'm about to get some on-foot footage here in just a second. So let's dive into that, shall we?